Well, bonjour everybody, and welcome aboard, and welcome to WICKSTEED Park for the first time. Yeah, first time that I've vlogged this park, and also pleased to announce I will be taking you on ride today. If you're thinking of coming doing on ride filming, just get in touch with them first, get everything clarified, and make sure it's all secure. Anyway, local here. Our Sarah, local park. Are you looking forward to your day at the park?
I am, yeah. It's been a while since I've been here, so looking forward to coming back again.
Excellent stuff. So we'll bring you some on-ride footage as well as some off-ride, a little bit of park information and the usual stuff. Looking forward to a good day here at WICKSTEED Park. And you can't beat a good old wave swinger to start the day, as you can see. Very obvious. Sway rider, this one called. Really nicely decorated one. And right at the top, can't really see it, but you've got the pictures of WICKSTEED Park, different qualities we've got here. And then in the background there, you've got the big wheel. Don't quite know what's happening with that. The Techie Park garden wheel, Ferris wheel. Yep, this one, Dinosaur Valley. Pinfari roller coaster, exactly the same model as the one that used to be. Gonna have to get used to saying that. Used to be at Oakwood, the Creeper Cola. Identical layouts. Yeah, a bit jolty. The restraints don't really help on there. The over the shoulder. It's alright ride. For the park, it's not too bad. Here we go, first shot. One. Oh, I chopped it. Oh, hey, legs, hey, legs. Oh, these Pinfaris, they don't offer you in off. I'm going to start that there. Get ready for a drenching. Yeah, at the front as well. Newish ride to WICKSTEED Park. I think this opened 2023, 22, 23, something like that. It is Galaxy Invaders, SBF Visa Group. As you can see, it is swinging out a little bit there. You've got a little lever on the cars, on the gondolas. And this coaster was a pickup before coming here today. It is a clown coaster formerly at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, this thing. Little Pinfari. Coaster credit number 379. Here comes Sarah on the Astro slide. Arms up. Done it. Crazy Golf. Sarah's trying to get an all-in-one against the tractor. Yeah, the log flume. Big country motion here in that one. Yeah, a bit old school. And then you've got the get it while there's nobody on it. Little spinny ride there. Honey pot spinning ride. I see no ships, but Sarah sees a 99-year-old log flume. See down at the 1926 water chute ride. Yeah, be celebrating its centenary next year. And as you can see, getting it back into the station, the old rope there to winch it back in, very old-fashioned. That'll take you on, won't it? Up next, it's this one, Ladybird Coaster, little Zero Tivoli. Reminds me quite a lot of the one at Polton's, just a bigger version of that. Dino Chase, got the paratrooper in the background there. So yeah, I'll take you on board, try and get you a front row. To WICKSTEED Park than just the ride. Obviously you've got the nature and the lake and everything around the park, and as you can see you've got the duck feeder here. Now this is £1.50 contactless. They encourage you not to feed the ducks with bread, or in Rob's case Uncle Ned, and then you just get your supply there. Feeding time on the lake. There's your map of the park, and as you can see it's not a particularly massive park. It's all sort of grouped round. You've got the big lake there, you've got the adventure zone what we're in at the current time, got a little bit as you come up from the top. So all your attractions, all your different ride heights for the rides. Well, as you can see folks, Sarah has been a very jolly jockey. Can't remember this ride, I don't know if it's actually new.
I think it is new.
We'll follow some of the stragglers behind here. Yeah, really nice. Some nice little bits around the ride. Oh, the classic car, she's got me there filming as I'm coming round. Oi, oi.
You big kid.
I am. Yeah, you've got to get these little rides while aboard the classic car. She's got me there filming as I'm coming round. Oink, oink.
You big kid.
I am. Yeah, you've got to get these little rides while the park is quiet. Really enjoyable day with the sun's out. Not too much of a queue for anything.
I got it.
We've also got a rocking tug here. These seem to be absolutely everywhere, don't they? So yeah, we're going to jump on this one, get the ride credit, and then wrap up on what's been a fantastic day here at WICKSTEED Park today. Ganging up on us a little bit. Quick sum up then, as we walk around the different lakes here, surrounded by a lot of water birdies, on what's been a fantastic, nice chilled out day at WICKSTEED Park. Thanks to WICKSTEED and the management for letting me film on ride, really efficient doing that. And yeah, the next one from me will be Barrow for the start of the MK Dons away season, as it were, next Saturday. To get in here, it's £22 advance for the wristband, £25 on the day, and we've definitely got us values worth, as it hasn't been too busy at all. Anyway, from the lovely surrounds here at WICKSTEED Park and Sarah, it is Tra. For now from me, thanks for watching, and I will catch you very soon. Take care.